Hey guys, it's the Lush Diva here, and I'm coming to you because I'm really bored because we've had snow days. So, in order to quell a little bit of that boredom, I'm going to play in my makeup. So, I'm going to do my regular makeup and then I'm going to play with my Jaclyn Hill palette. Okay, so this will be the third time that I'm using this palette. The reason that I'm using it today is because my first two looks with the Jaclyn Hill palette, they weren't great. I have to be honest with you. They weren't as good as my Wet n Wild looks or my Maybelline looks. So I'm going to give it another shot because I was really excited about this palette. I spent quite a bit of money on this palette. I know you guys may not think $38 is a lot of money, but for someone in my profession, $38 is a lot of money. So cross your fingers because I was really excited when I bought this palette and I really want to use it. Like, I do not want to have to take this back to Ulta. Like, I'll be the only person in the universe who took the Jaclyn Hill palette back to Ulta. Okay? So I'm going to take my time. I'm going to go very slow. Try to do the best I can to come up with something that looks good. All right? Here we go. Just going to start with a neutral all over shade. Okay, so the color's definitely showing up, and what I can tell you is that this was not the color that I wanted to use. This is the shade that I'm using. It's called Inlight. I did not expect it to come out that color. So what I'm going to do, since that shade was kind of cool, I'm going to go in with this warm shade, Butter. Let's try Roxanne. Okay, so I can tell that the warm honey concealer really helped with getting these colors able to pop because I have not been getting that at all. Oh shoot, I forgot to bake my face. Girl, this is about to kill me trying to make this video, I swear. I mean, does it even look like I used more than one shade? Okay, I'm watching the video. So he did warm it up down here. He didn't just leave that blank. Okay, so now I gotta figure out what he did in there. Because this is a lot. Okay, let's just say we gonna go all in. Because we already put all this freaking makeup on our face now, so we might as well just do the damn thing. It's not bad, but it's not great either. Okay, so now I gotta figure out what he did in there. Because this is a lot. Okay, this is a lot. Alright, glitter. Then I'm done. I'm tired of this. This is too much. I don't know if I appreciate precisely how big my eyeshadow is right now, but it is what it is. It is what it is. So what I'm going to try to do right now is I can tell this is too harsh, so I'm going to try to blend that out. So I took kind of a peach shade. So kind of try to get that blended out a little bit. I'm going to try this creamsicle. Anybody else get makeup in their eye when they're doing this? I'm really not going to do much with lips. I'm so tired of this. Like, I was just thinking to myself, like, gosh, you're getting frustrated. Like, don't get frustrated. This is your thing, you know? And the thing is, it is my thing. Yeah, this is my thing. This is what I want to do. I want to make content for people who are like me, who are not necessarily professionals, but really enjoy makeup, want to improve, who love trying new things. And as I'm learning how to do that, I have to try new things. So it can get frustrating, and I can get, like, but it's good. This process is so good, and I need to do it because there's no way to grow. If you're growing and you're comfortable, you're not growing. It looks so much better, and this is what I have to do. Like, I know this is what it's going to take to get to where I want to be. I'm going to use one of my shades. This one. This is Hunt as a blush. Okay. I look like freaking Ronald McDonald. What was I thinking? After an hour and 10 minutes and 55 seconds, the Jaclyn Hill palette is here to stay. The colors came out. They looked better with the lighter primer. I took my time, and I came out with a pretty good look. It still needs work, obviously, but this is a great improvement. I'm very excited to keep working with the Jaclyn Hill palette because it is my only professional palette. So we're gonna ride this baby till the wheels fall off. Till all these shades are dug out. We're using this. We ain't getting nothing else. No more eyeshadows until we master this. Once we master that, then we can get some more. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I greatly appreciate it, and have a good day. Bye. I'm about to film another goodbye. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate. Oh, shit. I don't know what I want to say something like cool goodbye.